And a Hellcat. Look at that Hellcat, just ready to go. Boy, that Curtiss Falcon is something, isn't it? Wow. This is an ME 108. Messerschmitt. It's got us into the engine shop now.
The guys from the Smithsonian come here and their jaws just drop to the ground.
This is
every one of those crates back there has a brand new Allison engine for P40 in it. Oh, there's over 30 of them.
30 Allison engines down there.
And all of the big steel cans back there have radials in them, 2800s and stuff.
Got some jets, centrifugals. Look at that. Andrew is a graduate of the Parks College of Aviation in East St. Louis. Just a young guy, but boy, is he having fun. A degree in English, but he'd rather fly airplanes. Hey, any guys need an airplane engine? Come see Kermit.
Over on the right here, there's some things you want to see. There's a 160 gnome here. There's two 6-cylinder.
Radial engine, water cooled. A radial air cooled. No, it's a water cooled. That's what it is. Water cooled radial engine. Those crates has a brand new Allison engine in it. So you guys with P40s, here's where to come. Hundreds and so forth. Anybody need a cowling?
Yeah, there's a couple of Russian engines here. There's a couple of Japanese engines next to them.
You name it, they got it.
This is another Siemens Halsby. This is apparently came from the Neuport Museum, and apparently it's brand new.
Kermit Weeks Airplane Shop. The World War I section of aircraft engines. Clerget, Leron, Curtiss, OX5s.
The 50 gnome that's up there is an extremely rare engine also that's up in the left corner there. You've got, like I said, about 25 World War I rotary engines. But they really get to be
Radials as far as the eye can see.
This is the gnome or the
80 with long. The 80s have the pipe.
Or Merlins or what have you, and some radials. This is just fabulous. We sure appreciate you letting us see this restoration shop and the collection of Kermits.
People that are interested, it's fun to show them around. People that have an appreciation for it.
Well, a lot of people are going to see this, you know, because I ship this tape all over the world.
Good publicity for us, too.
Well, we're going to say goodbye. The Weeks Warehouse number 1 and the Weeks Air Museum. And remember, this is only warehouse number 1. See you guys next time. Or at Flat Eye Reservoir. First weekend in June 1993. Jerry Gray's going to fly his Super Cub for us. Jerry's from Newburgh, Oregon. A little bit of flaps there. Oops. This is an Icon Northwest kit that Jerry detailed up. OS 4-cylinder Pegasus. 4-cylinder flat engine in this aircraft. This is some of the best flying weather we've ever had at Flat Eye Reservoir, Sutherland, Oregon. June 1993. Very nice. Focus that camera. Now, taxi it right up to us there, Jerry.
Stay out.
He's going to swim away from another one. Nice, Jerry.
Thanks, sir.
Hanson. And the old Super Cub. Whoops.
Jerry flies it better than I do.
Oh, boy, hold on. These new Neuport 28, right, Dennis?
Yep.
And who's the builder of the full-size rig?
Guy's name is Chuck Brady,
Chuck Brady. Where's he from?
Illinois,
And where'd you find this airplane to model?
at the Aerodrome 92,
Gunnersville, huh?
Gunnersville, Alabama.
Boy, sure beauty. We gonna fly it today?
Yep.
You promise?
I hope.
What do you mean, you hope?
Enough power.
We're at Camp Whitcomb in southeast Portland for a test flight of Dennis Welty's Neuport 28.
This will be the first flight for Dennis's airplane. He's gonna taxi around a bit first.
Down this to the U.S. Scale Master Championships in Los Angeles, October 1993.
Okay, here we go again. There it goes, beautiful. There they are, the dynamic duo.
Dennis Welty and Jerry Holcomb.
Dennis Welty, Jerry Holcomb. She's down. Successful first flight.
This is a revised edition of Volume 2 of the Scale Aircraft Show.
Oregon City, at the corner of 7th and Main Street, headquarters of Quality Farm Toys and Hobbies. And look at that window.
John Williamson, proprietor.
Championship, hosted by the Portland Sky Knights. This will be the 25th annual, guys. Let's go in and see what John Williamson's got here in his store. There's John now greeting us at the entrance of Quality Farm Toys and Hobbies. Trains, planes, RC goodies. John, how are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
What you got here? John's a big booster of our Seaplane Championships.
There's Susan in the back.
Yeah, there's Susan back there. Come on out hiding, Susan. And we got, look at all the scale airplanes he's got hanging up here. John, how long you been in this location now?
Oh, a little over a year.
A year, huh?
Our motto is we can buy better planes than we can build.
Exactly. This is John Williamson, proprietor. And Susan, his
Hey, come here, Susan. Get on.
good-looking wife's hiding around here somewhere.
She's sleeping in the back.
Lots of Quality Farm Toys and Hobbies. All the airplane stuff's in the back. We're going to do some shots of these scale aircraft, because that's what we're interested in, is scale aircraft, because this is the Scale Aircraft Show.
They painted it on, and then you just got to scratch it
I
off.
see. Yes, sir, that's a nice sign, John. We sure appreciate that. Now, let's see, what do you got in the window there?
Oh, you got some of your trophies.
Some trophies from past years.
Yeah.
Seaplane Championships at Pine Hollow Reservoir, always on the weekend after the 4th of July. There's a painting by Jack Crescenzi, a first place award. There's another first place award, a nice Kingfisher. There.
Modified, Don Stagman's modified.
This is Don Steigman's Super Cub Icon Northwest kit. There's a nice looking PBY. All that's left of Ed Hess's beautiful Lysander that he flew down at Quarter Scale Association in Las Vegas a couple of years ago, or maybe just last year.
Yeah, it was last year.
But he had some problems. His son was flying it, and we saw it on an earlier Scale Aircraft show. But Ed comes in once in a while, looks at it, John says, reminisces. There's a cute little Avro, what do you want to...
That's Wild Bill McDowd.
Wild Bill McDowd, huh? Beautiful looking little airplane. Here's a KI-61 Kawanishi or whatever.
Jim Holt.
Jim Holt's Corbin Super Ace Icon Northwest kit. Jim Holt's a master builder. Builds them light, the way they should be. That John has in the back, all these goodies. keep your airplanes in the air. You never know you need it till you see it. Propellers, engine mounts, wheels, glow plugs, hardware, fuel, and he's got the 1991
Scale Aircraft Show on TV.
demonstrating TV. He's got a Hansen scale tape on there.
John's only a few doors down from Willamette Falls TV.
Seaplane, scale bent, North America. Well, we just lucked out. Ed Hess from Malala, Oregon just walked in. Ed's responsible for this beautiful Westland Lysander that we just talked about a little while ago. Ed, what happened in Las Vegas?
We flew it. I think we got locked in for a transmitter lock or something.
Friday morning.
Made a left turn and spiraled in.
So what are you building to replace it now?
Building a Arc and Seal.
That's a French jobby, huh?
French, 1928 transport.
Mm-hmm. Well, boy, when you build them right.
That's right.
Sure appreciate your aircraft. Thanks, Ed. Hey, we're going to head out for the Northwest Seaplane Championships this coming weekend. We'll see some of those airplanes up there. Well, we're going to say goodbye to Quality Farm Toys and Hobbies in Oregon City. Thanks a lot, John. See you guys later.